Ready? Hey, this is Todd Worth, General Manager at Automart of Orange Texas. We are the #1 independent pre-owned dealer in the area, Southeast Texas, Port Arthur, Beaumont, and Orange. I just want everybody to know that we carry over 100 vehicles at all times. If you need a work truck, if you need a work car, if you need a sports car, if you need a diesel, whatever you need, we've got it, including beautiful luxury sedans like Chrysler 300s, Cadillacs, Cadillac SUVs. We've got everything you need as far as pre-owned vehicles here at Automart in Orange, Texas. Give us a call at 409-882-2500.